Hi, this is the CROSSCALL Core M5 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first open the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Tap to manage accounts on this device because we should first log out from the Google account and after that we'll automatically log out from the Gmail app. So tap to manage accounts on this device, tap to your account and confirm your action by click to remove account. Now in Google account settings we just successfully logged out from the Google account, so let's go back to the Gmail app and we could see that we also successfully logged out from the Gmail application. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.